Eyi into eyenzeka ngeqhawe lami bafowethu angikho happy ngayo bafowethu, angikho happy. Bafowethu u-M_T sekuphuma iy'ndaba zokuthi usebuyele behind bars bafowethu, uphinde bamvalela bafowethu laphana e-Midrand Police Station after athole i-restraining order bafowethu yokuthi angakhulumi no-ex-wife wakhe uNicole, nanokuthi futhi angakhulumi ngaye nje kuwona wonke ama-social media. So kulikeke laphana-ke bafowethu ama-screenshot e-conversation yabo la u-M_T khona ebesho nje mfethu amagama anzima kakhulu bafowethu la kunkosikazi wakhe. Cha bafowethu lento ibuhlungu bafowethu, ngoba labantu bekwabantu nathi bekwama-role model ethu bafowethu. I-relationship le besithi noma siyibuka siyibone bafowethu ukuthi eyi nathi siyafisa ukuthi sikule simo, but ngendlela nje bafowethu izinto esezenzeke ngayo sekukuningi bafowethu. And naye u-M_T ngampela is going through a lot. I think naye uyayidinga bafethu izinto mhlampe no-counselling nanabantu abangamsupport eduze, cause whatever that happened lana without nje ukuthi kuze kukhethwe isayidi, ngoba phela thina sama-fans ka-M_T vele ekugcineni sizothi uma sizokhuluma kakhulu ngokusupport u-M_T, but naye asazi ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe ngampela what was she facing kuyona bafethu le relationship. So-ke these are celebrity news bafethu, ngiyazi akusile ibhola, but nje ngithekele bafethu angeke ngikhulume cause I'm a huge fan bafethu ka-M_T, and nje mina ingoma zakhe bafethu zingidlulise ey'ntweni ey'ningi kakhulu. Lo muntu bafethu is so authentic, but ukubona nje impilo yakhe bafethu engazi ukuthi iyenzeka ngale ndlela eyenzeka ngayo, cause noma emuve on bafethu ikhona i-relationship entsha anayo, but eyi bafethu kuningi yabona. Kuningi nje bafethu, kuningi kakhulu, and kubi nje bafethu ukubona sekunje. Ngiyafisa nje ngazuthi nabo bangake bahlale phansi bafethu, try to come with into bafethu ezokwazi ukuvuna bobabili, because labantu bafethu they have 3 children bafethu together bafethu, and lokho nje kukodwa bafethu it's not something esingathi ukhona omunye oseyokwazi ukuthi ngampela aphume empilweni yomunye. But njengoba sekunama-restraining order ukuthi awukwazi ngisho kwakuthini bafethu ngalona omunye, ngeke kuvele nje bafethu, kuvele. And uyambona nawo u-M_T bafethu, because u-M_T simazi thina ewumuntu i-mindfulness bafethu onayo, o-calm based even naku-music wakhe, but njengamanje usewuhleze umuntu o-angry bafethu, umuntu ovela asheshe adinwe, and nje bafethu kubi lento lena, ayikho yinhle bafethu, ayikho yinhle. Ngiyafisa nje ngathi bangaqhamuka ne-solution ezobasebenzela bobabili.